Hi, YouTubers. I'm just taking a look at this rolling put diagonal, and I'm trying to find something wrong with it. I've found it's very encouraging during large down moves. I'm just kind of curious in a small down move. So here's one that started September. Here we are in September 3rd, and the market's just kind of started moving down. This is like a 300-point drop instead of a, I don't know, bigger drop. So it's kind of a smaller drop. So here we are on September 3rd, and I'm going to put a trade on. I'm going to run this between September 3rd for about a month. So we'll see how this goes. So September 4th, and let's see what date. It's just through the 23rd. So I'm going to go to the 23rd. That was kind of a down move. So I'm going to go here to the 23rd, and I'm going to buy the 30 delta put, which is what the strategy is here. So I'm going to click on buy. I'm just going to do one contract, and normally I put these on together, but I'm going to put them on separate because I think it's faster. So that one executed there. And then I'm going to go into trade, and it is September 3rd. So in the next expiration cycle, I'm going to sell the at the money put. So in this case, the next expiration cycle is the 4th. So it's trading at 34.76. So I'm going to sell the 34.75. So I'm going to down here, I'm going to click sell and click that to one contract, and then click confirm and send. All right. So just give an idea here. Looks like it took 10,500 in buying power. And I'm going to pause it here. All right. Well, in my simulation here, it's now September 4th. My net liquidation values dipped down $97,010. So we've lost almost $3,000. Kind of on our first day here. That's a big loss on that big down move. So I'm going to take this the 4th, and I'm going to create a rolling order into the 6th, into the next Monday, the 8th, and it's currently trading at 33.88. So I'm going to trade 33.87, and so this is going to be 33.80. That 33.90. will be round up, and it's a $55 debit. So it's going to cost us $5,500 to buy that bad boy back. Here we are again, and I'm going to share my screen again. And looks like our net liquidation value is at 97,665. Let's see what's happening to SPX. See, it's kind of continuing to drop. I guess before I put it on, it was at 35.72, and now it's at 35.56. So it's continued to drop here. Looks like the long leg is worth 8,100, and the short leg is worth 33.55. So I'm going to roll this guy to at the money on the 9th. So it must have been a holiday. So it's so we're going to roll this to 33.60. 33.60, and we're going to get a $3.45 debit. So I'm going to click send, and that executed. So I'll see you back here shortly. All right, let me share my screen here with you and show you where we are. We're at 96,790. So I'm going to show you what VIX is at 27.42, and SPX is at 33.51. So it's kind of going, went down, popped up, went down. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to roll this September 11th. We're rolling it to the next expiration. So in this case, it's the 14th. We're going to roll to 33.50, and it looks like we get $34.30 debit. All right, so let's look at the characteristics of this trade. So the long put is worth 6,600, and your short put is worth roughly 2,500. So I'm going to stop my share now and pause it. All right, net liquidation value is now at 96,347. We started off with 100,000. So I'm going to take this and let's kind of take a look. SPX is now trading at 33.98. And VIX is trading at 25.72. So it's kind of taking a dip. When it dips like that, your premium comes in on that short leg. So I'm going to roll this to create a rolling order on the 14th to the 16th, rolling to at the money. So this case, 33.97. So we're going to do it 3,400. That's what we're rolling to. In this case, we're getting a $28.10 credit. And so that looks like it's only taken buying power of $3,000. And our net liquidation value is at 96,000. All right, our net liquidation value is at 97,000. We're at September 16th, and let's kind of take a look. VIX is at 25.71. SPX is at 34.14. So we've started a little bit of recovery here. Let's see how much we can make in the next week. So I'm going to create a rolling order to 3,400 is where it is now. I'm going to roll it to 34.15. Which I always round to the closest number. We're collecting $39.70 credit here. All right, so far it looks like this strategy is not working on a 300-point down move, but on a 2,000 it does. So here we go. It is now September 18th, and let's see, SPX is trading at 33.34, and VIX is trading at 25.76. So let's go and let's roll this 18th. See if we can recover a little money here to 33.35. We're rolling down, which probably will be, this case, it's going to be a $58 debit. So this is kind of that roller coaster thing. I don't think this strategy works great on a big roller coaster. So now it is the 18th, and I'm going to pause it here while I let it think back catch up. All right, so now it is September 21st, and our net liquidation value is $95,375. So, we're getting down to the wire here. So I'm going to roll this to the 23rd, and I'm going to have to roll it down to 32.50, 32.50. And it looks like it's going to be a $55.60 debit. So I'm going to create here, and looks like I'm going to stop sharing and change the time.